Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine and safe. So let's begin our video today. I hope you all are waiting eagerly for the job notifications to be out and so that you can be placed in some company and you can apply for a job and be employed. So yes, if you are such a person, you are waiting for job notifications to be out, this is a great opportunity which you can apply. So I'll start with this video, follow accordingly. TCS Ninja Hiring 2021 has begun for BE, BTech, MCA, MSc candidates for 2020 batch, which is the TCS off-campus drive, which is scheduled for 2022 batch engineering graduates through TCS Ninja Hiring YOP 2022. The details of the eligibility and application process is given in this video. TCS Ninja Hiring 2021 test TCS Ninja Hiring 2021 qualification required is BE or BTech or ME or MTech or MCA or MSc. Batch 2022 batch salary is expected to be best in the industry. Job location is across India. The last date was 29th August of 2021, which is further extended for a longer period of time. The test date is 12th of September onwards. TCS NQT Recruitment 2021. Now, this is the time for the freshers to prove their talent by applying for this TCS Ninja 2022 batch. Aspirants will verify the TCS NQT Recruitment 2021 details like eligibility, registration process, and TCS Ninja salary package for freshers in this video. Thereafter, activates TCS Ninja 2021 to 2022 registration link, which must be enrolled in online mode only. After the link activation, all the interested candidates can submit the TCS Ninja application form to the TCS careers page, that is the nextstep.tcs.com, nextstep.tcs.com. We also have described the process of how to apply for TCS Ninja, and I'm going to give you that. So we are giving detailed information on TCS Ninja Recruitment 2022 batch so that all the freshers of 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, and 2022 batch will know about this recruitment. So complete the TCQ Ninja recruitment form process to attend the TCQ Ninja online test. For the registered candidates, the officials conducted the exam on the TCS Ninja exam date from 12th September 2021. So apply before the last date is over, then only you will be eligible for attending the TCS Ninja examination. For the selected candidates, through the selection rounds, the officials will give the best TCS NQT salary packages as per the company norms. Next, I will talk about the details of eligibility, course and discipline. Undergraduate or postgraduate in engineering course from BE or BTech or ME or MTech or MSc or MCA from any specialization offered by the university or college are only eligible to apply. Percentage minimum aggregate, that is all subjects in all semesters, marks should be 60% or 6 CGPA in class 10, class 12, diploma if applicable, graduation and post-graduation examination. Talking about the backlogs or arrears or ATKT, students should not have more than one active backlog or arrear or ATKT at the time of appearing for the TCS selection process in the highest qualification. If selected, students should not have any pending backlog or arrear at the time of joining TCS. Next, coming to gap or break in education, it is mandatory to declare gaps in education if any. Break in education should not be due to extended education, that is examinations cleared after the time stipulated by the board or the university. Any break in education should not exceed 24 months and is permissible only for valid reasons. Relevant document proof as applicable will be checked for gaps in education if it is there or applicable as so. Talking about the course types, only full-time courses will be considered. Part-time or correspondence courses will not be considered eligible for this examination. Students who have completed the secondary and or senior secondary course from NIOS, that is the National Institute of Open Schooling, are also eligible to apply if other courses are full-time. All pending backlogs should be completed within the stipulated time duration, as I just mentioned. Talking about the work experience, students with prior work experience of up to 2 years are eligible to apply for the TCS Ninja hiring process. Coming to the age, students should be of 18 to 28 years of age to participate in the TCS Ninja hiring process. Now coming to the exam details. Conducted online examination at home and physical in center, 2-year validity of NQT score. Apply for any entry-level role in the corporate with NQT score. TCS Ninja hiring selection pattern, talking about this. The test duration will be around 180 minutes. That is cognitive skills of 120 minutes and 60 minutes for the programming. Talking in details about the cognitive test, numerical ability will have 40 minutes, having 26 number of questions. Verbal ability will have 30 minutes, comprising of 24 number of questions. Reasoning ability will have 50 minutes, comprising 30 number of questions. Next, coming to programming. Programming logic will have 50 minutes, having 10 number of questions. Hands-on coding will have 45 minutes, comprising 2 number of questions. A very important note for you, please be very careful. Every question is mandatory to attempt. Review of previously answered questions is not allowed for this examination. Next, talking about the cognitive skills. Yes, NQT, that is the cognitive skills, is a general ability test that assesses a candidate in the areas that I'm going to say right now. Verbal ability, this section assesses English grammar, appropriate usage of the same, and the reading comprehension skills. Reasoning ability, this section will assess identifying words and numerical patterns, problem-solving ability, figural and factual analysis, decision-making, propositional reasoning, and visual spatial reasoning for this examination. Talking about the numerical ability, this section assesses number systems, arithmetics, elementary statistics, data interpretation, and so on. Coming to the programming, for programming, the programming part of this examination will assess knowledge and skill in specific subjects pertaining to the job roles that I'm going to discuss right now, which is very important for the job. Test of knowledge, candidates will be assessed on pseudocode, algorithms, programming constructs, basic software development lifecycle, that is the SDLC, and its stage-wise documents, implementation using C, C++, and Java. For test of application, candidates can code in any one of the programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, and PERL. Hands-on exercise is very important. Coming to the main part, how to apply for TCS Ninja Hiring YOP 2022. All interested and eligible candidates can apply for this test online by the link that is provided in the official website on or before 29th August 2021, but the time has been extended. So the hiring, firstly, there will be one application process. Step 1, log on to the TCS Next Step portal here. Next, step 2, register and apply to the TCS Ninja hiring process. Scenario A, If you are registered user, kindly log in and proceed to the complete application process of the form. Upon submission, kindly click on apply for the drive. But scenario B, if you are a new user, kindly click on register now, choose category as IT and proceed to fill your details that is asked by them. Next, submit your application form and click on the button apply for drive. Step 3, select your mode of test, that is in center or remote, and then click on the button apply. Step 4, to confirm your status, track your application. The status should reflect as applied for drive. If it is showing applied for drive, then your application process is complete. So time has been extended by 1 week from 29th August. So if you think you are an eligible candidate for this and you wish to seek your career in this corporate sector, and you know TCS is a huge company and with great market reputation, so definitely you can opt for it without wasting time. So all the best for your career ahead. I hope you have found benefit by watching this video, and without wasting any time, go grab run this opportunity. So thank you for patiently hearing me out. Stay happy and stay safe. Thank you.